This is one of the most popular and one of the tallest sauropods from the Jurassic. This is one of the longest dinosaurs that I've ever gotten to draw up. I finally got to draw him in my appearance. This one goes out to everyone who live in New York City, and all those who have enjoyed the greatest BBC video series ever, Walking with Dinosaurs. Alexa, what is Diplodocus?
Diplodocus was a genus of diplodocid sauropod dinosaurs, whose fossils were first discovered in 1877 by S.W. Williston. The generic name, coined by Othniel Charles Marsh in 1878, is a Neo-Latin term derived from Greek delta iota pi lambda sigma double and delta omicron kappa sigma beam, in reference to the double beam chevron bones located in the underside of the tail, which were then considered unique.
That's who we're drawing tonight, folks. Tonight we're going to draw Diplodocus. There we are.
All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on.
Known facts about Diplodocus. This guy has really long rows of spikes sticking out of the edge of its back. Yeah, it's a really unrecognizable feature. I have no idea how that's even got there.
I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just
This is how he uses it. This is what he uses to defend himself. A really long, highly expendable, whiplash-like tail. Yep. It's amazing. I remember Dino Thursday. It's amazing that this guy showed up on the air. I love it. Beautiful.
when we're all alone. Keep it
And complete. That's how you draw Diplodocus. One of the very popular and powerful dinosaurs. Second to Brachiosaurus. And, well, out of all the sauropods from the Jurassic, I prefer this one. Interesting, huh? So check out more sauropods. Check out the dinosaur playlist. I'm always here, and I won't stop until they're all completed. Farewell, guys.